Namaste. First stock for next week of swing trading is Crompton Greaves. On the weekly chart, we can't find a better breakout level than this. The breakout level is firmly established at the round number of 500 rupees. As you can see, around the breakout level, there is a channel pattern. The low of the channel pattern is coming at 435 rupees. Let me show you what I think about the price action pattern. This was the first time price went and tried to break the level of 500 rupees. It was pegged back by sellers and then again it made foray to the breakout level, but it did not find any joy. Again it was pushed back, and see here, this was third attempt, and in current week there was also an attempt made to break this particular level. So we have only seen that after a candle, a bullish candle which went and touched the breakout level, there was a decent sized bearish candle. But here, after touching the breakout level, there is another bullish candle, which is testimony of how buyers are trying to push for the breakout. They are buying with decent quantity, and this bullish momentum is going to help the breakout above 500 rupees, and the breakout can take the stock price in the vicinity of 550 at least. It looks like a very good proposition for next week. Second stock is Man Infra Construction. On the weekly chart, we can see time and again the resistance level is getting taken out and it is becoming a support level for the price. This was first juncture and here the second time. So it means that buyers are buying at a decent pace. We see a bullish candle. After that there is profit booking, and right after that we see one more bullish candle. So this means that the buyers are pretty comfortable in the price at the moment. Talking about the breakout level, I am going to go to daily chart and see a breakout level, draw a breakout level. This is a breakout level which is coming at the level of 75 rupees or above. So just see how price is reacting to the breakout level. This was almost the first time price tried to break this particular level. Then it was pegged back and found support around 61 rupees or 60 rupees. And after that, slowly but surely, the low is getting higher. The previous low was here. Now the low has been elevated to 67 rupees, which means that the tide is turning towards buyers. This could help a breakout in the course of next week. I am looking at 5 to 6 rupees of increase in the stock price, which will take the stock price somewhere around 80 rupees. So that should be our target. Last but certainly not least stock for next week of swing trading is Zensar Technologies. On the weekly chart, this is a perfect breakout level. And why I am saying this? First of all, just see the progression in the price. The support is getting elevated. Next thing is I can also draw a horizontal support line. Let me zoom out a bit. This is a horizontal support line at the level of 415, and after that see how the price is going up and coming down. So this was first time almost price tried to go above the breakout level of 572 rupees. Then here in the next week, once again buyers tried their best, but they could not break the barrier. And again in the next week there was bit of selling, and once again we see buyers coming into the picture, which means that buyers are dominating the stock price. It is just a matter of time. Once the stock price closes above 475 with decent bullish candle and also increasing volume activity, we can see a lot of buyers sitting on the sideline joining this particular bullish momentum, and which can take stock price in the vicinity of almost 520 rupees. So it is a very good trade in Zenser for next week. Talking about targets, these are the targets here. Make sure that you trail your stop loss tighter. For example, you are taking a position into Crompton Lee Greaves and the order got executed at 500 rupees, and now price is currently trading at 550. So what I would advise you is to trail the stop loss to 505. Keep it tighter. So if price goes on to make and go to the levels of 550, you are going to earn a decent profit. If it does not, it comes down to 505, you are going to take home some profit at least. So there won't be a situation of you losing out on decent, at least some kind of profit. So that's the most important thing. You need to practice this and you need to follow this. Whatever happens, do not leave your swing trade just as it is. For example, anytime price can fall in span of one day by 20-30 rupees. So if you might be enjoying a decent profit, but that profit can vanish within matter of days by one colossal selling. So keep the stop loss higher or lower, however you prefer. Book your profit, not book, lock your profit. That's the word, locking your profit. I'm going to share the screenshot in my Telegram channel. I am signing off from this video. We are going to meet in the next video. Enjoy the holidays and take care of yourself.